Morning! Guess what? We're in Elan Valley. Guess what? I've had nothing to drink. Guess what? I've not brushed my teeth. Guess what? I overslept. Oh my god. Yeah. There's Nigel. Mr. Nigel Freestone. Hello, you must recognise him. He's been in lots of vlogs. He's a bit of a stalker really, but we like him. No, it's here we're in Elan Valley. And I have just rushed around like a complete novice, but with some finesse. Kind of knew what I was looking for, or what I wanted, but yeah, what a novice. I set the alarm for quarter past five this morning in the van. We're parked just up over on that little ridge there. And yeah, I was thinking, what a nice little sunrise this would be. Fingers crossed, last night was quite nice. We've done a few astro photographs, which I'll bob up a couple for you while I'm talking. Really quite enjoyed the astro last night. Got the Milky Way, and I've got a wicked hashtag keep the selfie. Check this out. And yeah, the plan was get up this morning. I said to Nigel, quarter past five, let's do that. Golden hour's coming in about 10 to 6, and then yeah, away we go, sort of thing. Just going to take another shot while I'm thinking about it. And yeah, so of course the alarm went off. Woke up. Felt tired because it was 1 o'clock before I went to bed, so I've only had a couple of hours. And yeah, fell back to sleep. What an idiot. And what a morning. Nigel was awake. Hopefully he's got some pictures of this sky, because this sky just now was absolutely amazing. And I had no idea where I was going to be. I didn't recce the idea of thinking I know what I'm going to do in the morning and shoot. I know where I'm going to shoot, but anyway, I got the camera out, I rushed out the van, I've left Mrs. C asleep, I've literally run round, jumped through a farmer's gate, come down this field, come next to the river, which is stunning looking. There's some mist right down there in that bottom corner, which is absolutely amazing. Nigel says it wasn't all the way down, thank God, otherwise I'd have been in tears right now. But it does look really pretty down there, so I'm going to take a walk up, probably on this path I think, quickly, and get a shot down there, so I'm going to run off in a moment. But yeah, I use this island, this is what I found. This little island here with some little buttercups or whatever they are on it. There's a bit of a fence to nowhere sitting there, and then we managed to get this sky. Bracketed the shot. I only had the 18 to 55 on at the time. I quickly put it on, whacked the settings down from last night, because last night was on astro. And yeah, I don't know if I've done an amateur moment, but I certainly wasn't thinking on my feet and I wasn't quick enough. I had the camera on f4 I think, so please God, let's hope this photograph works, and you'll know way before I do. Well, no, I know before you do, but you'll know now whether I know, but something like that anyway. But yeah, and the colours are going off down there as well, so yeah, I'm going to disappear. Enjoy this one shot I managed to get. Hopefully if I got something with the colours and the water and everything, I just please God hope this works. Even if it's f4, you're going to see it anyway. And yeah, I'm back on f8 now, which is the go-to. And I'm going to try and get that mist down there with a little bit of colour in the sky. So yeah, be back in a minute. I can't talk you through it because this is seriously rush job. So see you in a bit. What a morning, what a rush, what a mess, what an amateur, oh my God. Anyway, I think I managed to secure another photo, as they say. Little clump of grass down here. I just jumped back through the fence this side, the other side, and there's no way I'm going over this ford, not a cat in hell's chance, it's deep. Just interrupting, this water's fed to Birmingham. So all you guys that are in Birmingham, i.e. Stuart, I'm going to piddle in your water in a minute. No, I'm not, I'm only joking. Stuart, you're safe, you're fine. Yeah, this sort of conversation. I tried to go horizontal, wasn't quite working, so I've put it into a vertical position. and I put the wide angle lens back on. I've been swapping between the two this morning, and yeah, I've got a nice little clump of grass down there, and this lovely little piece of slate by the looks of it, which is under the water, which is quite nice. It sort of acts like a leading line, and you've got the bubbles from the other side leading you in the other side. Again, there's a nice little bit of colour. There's a nice little bit of a coloury haze down there in the bottom. I didn't get the mist. I wasn't quick enough for that. So yeah, this is pretty much a rushed grab shot, really, or a good try. Let's put it that way. Yeah, I failed this morning. My fault. Sorry, didn't get up. That half an hour made all the difference. It just took away my sort of searching time, took away my setting up a composition time and my thinking time. So yeah, there was really no time to act. I literally got out of the van, I grabbed all my gear together, rushing around, put my clothes on, and I just run virtually, well, full speed walk down, across the bridge, down into this field. We've got a dog barking up in the farm at the moment, and he sounds like a big bugger. Hopefully the farmer's not going to let him out, but at least I'm on the good side of the fence now, and Nigel's going to get eaten, which is fine. I don't see why not. Mark is with us as well, Mr. Mark Ellis. If you don't know who Mark Ellis is, he is the guy that spotted me in Snowdon and come and said hello, and blew my mind that day. So here we've got Mark Ellis with us, and we've also got Trevor Perkins, and he's around somewhere. I did see him getting out the car, and Nigel seen him this morning, so yeah, they're here as well. We also had another new guy with us last night, Nigel Thomas, but he had to make a move last night. He couldn't stop. Oh, and I can see the dog now, and he can see us, and he is barking his ass off and wagging his tail now. He's either wagging it because he wants to come down and play, or he's wagging it thinking, I need to clear some room because I'm going to eat 3 people. But he's not, doesn't look like he's locked up, so he's sort of staying there. So has he been down? Oh, Nigel said he's been down, so yeah. And I'm waffling again anyway, ain't I? Yeah, what did I do? F8 polarizer on. I didn't put the polarizer on full because I actually wanted the reflection in the water. Yeah, F8. Bang, and just left it do what it's doing. Bracketed this morning. I bracketed 5 shots then, and I bracketed 5 shots when I was over there by that where Mark is there. So yeah, and I should be able to put something together, hopefully. We are going to spend the rest of the weekend here. We've got Owen coming down shortly, hopefully, if he can find us. We've got no phone signal, so that's going to make it quite difficult. But yeah, hopefully we're going to have a bit of a walk, a bit of a wander around this morning. Probably head down this river, go and have a look down the river. There's some lovely waterfalls down there, or cascades, so I think we'll go and do that this morning, and then I'm going to take these guys and show them a bit more of the reservoirs. But Elan Valley, come down, have a look. What a fantastic place, and I'll probably do another workshop typey thing down here, a bit of another meeting anyway, at least, if nothing else, because it's a lovely place and there's so much to see, and I haven't seen a lot of it. I found in a guidebook, I found some lakes that are right up that way. It's a couple of mile walk. Oh, look at this, just stop you there. The sun's just kissing the top of that mountain. Back. Yep, nope, it wasn't my battery this time. Memory card full up. As I was saying, look at that lovely little bit of light up there on the hills. I don't know whether I'm going to rush around and try and get a shot of that. It's too hard to try and find a position to get into, to be honest. I need to be the other side of the river, and I need to find rocks, and it's not that easy. And I am busting for me morning middle. I'm sorry, but I am. Yeah, let's have a walk round, see if I can do something else, and I'm going to make this a little short video just so I can put this out as soon as I can when I get back. So yeah, bear with me for a moment again, and let's see if I can find another image. Just one more would be nice, a bit of a selfie if I can find one as well. Maybe up on the bridge with the reservoir. So let's see if we can get this done.
You upset the dog. He growls when you get near him.
Does he? Right, I think we're going to call that it. 3 of us are here. I think Trevor's around somewhere. Mark run down the road this morning. He was up at the proper time.
Morning.
Non-amateur. Here comes the dog coming down the hill. But here, listen, here he is. He's gone from a bark to a sort of a growl. He wants to come and say hello, doesn't he? Come on in. Come on. He doesn't want to play. Shh, shush, shush, shush. Oh dear. Come on in. Come on. He doesn't want to play. He wants to bark. He wants to bark, but he doesn't want to eat us, which is a good thing. Yeah, anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, we're going to call it. This is a short one, like I say, which is amazing for me. And it's just really to say, hello, we're in Elan Valley. Watch the next couple of vlogs coming along. We're doing a couple of walks. And yeah, I'm just going to show you around Elan Valley again. I've been here before, as you know. But like I say, these guys haven't, so everything's new to them. And here's the big dam as well. I thought I'd just show you that. Look at the size of that thing. Absolutely massive. But the light's not on it. But it's a stunning location. It's a beautiful place to come and look. It's in the middle of Wales, near Rhaeadr, or Rhaeadr, however you want to say it. I think it's pronounced Rhaeadr. And I'm out of breath. I just don't know why. I think it's just because I'm rushed and talked and doing what I'm doing. So yeah, there's my amateur moment this morning. It can happen to anybody and everybody. So yeah, set your alarm, make sure you get up, and yeah, please do join us on the next couple. Like and subscribe this silly little video, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one after we've had breakfast, somewhere interesting, and I'll compose myself, get some coffee, and I'll speak to you soon, and see you next time. Ciao. Just pop back on for 2 seconds. Look at this car coming in here. Mr. O, he's made it. Anyway, ciao. He knows how to do it, didn't you, Nige?
Too right.